So what I'm saying is that that's a long day for me, but then after tomorrow I'm pretty much done. That's my end of my day, end of my work week. And I had 6 times working out. So cut our potatoes up here and be good to go. Getting ready to get my book finished here. With COVID, it put me behind, but that's okay. I always feel that with having God and the angels in my life, they always treat me good, and they're always there for me, so I'm good. And we have a lot of people that do come in that were big like me, but they're losing weight, and I feel proud of them, and I'm proud of everybody that goes to the gym. I don't look down upon anybody, because I remember when I was fat, I was scared. Nobody looks down, I don't look down, nobody looks down upon me, and it's like really nice, because I was really fat and obese. And believe me, people use me, they pretended to be my friend, and they're really not my friend. So it's like, it really sort of bites, but it's just how it was. And now they want to be my friend, so I don't trust anybody. I'd be nice to them, but I don't trust them. The old saying is, you can't spit too far, so that's how far I trust people. And I don't spit very far. Okay, potatoes. We got some fresh parsley in a minute too. Chop them whenever you're ready. Put it on the stove. Okay, screw that up. Today I had to go and we have a place where people train for boxing, and I had to go in there to I had to ask the trainer if I could get in there and stretch, because if you don't stretch after the workout, it's going to be very hard to lift or whatever. And I'm sort of behind on the treadmill because I don't like the thing and I don't do very well on it. I can run better outside, but he wants me to be able to run like a mile in 10 minutes on there, and I can't. I get scared. Now outside I have no problem. I can run 2 miles within 20 minutes. But it's different when you're on a machine than when you're doing it on outside. So, and he goes, I want you at a certain speed for the 10 minutes, full 15 minutes, that's what your goal is, and blah, blah, blah. Because I've sort of been scared of it, and he knows it. So now we're working on that. Some things I don't get very easy. And then, when we're at the gym, sometimes I'll text him afterwards and say, hey, I did my best, and he knows, and then I try my hardest, but sometimes my coordination isn't there, and it has nothing to do with being fat. When I was fat, it's just that I couldn't do things as a kid. But last week I got to jump rope, and I did 2 times, and on my circuit you have to go 5 times. I was able to jump 30 times. You have to do 30 times, 30 in a row for jump rope, and if not, you got to keep going until you get 30. I did really good. The first 2 rounds, I was able to jump rope 30 times without stopping. Then after that, I flopped. But I was getting tired too, because at that point, you're getting tired and you got to beat your time. I did it in 40 seconds, but I don't know about tomorrow. I don't know if I'm getting a new one or if I got the same one. If I got the same one, I don't know. I think I do, though, because he wants me to perfect this technique and stuff. And there's certain things that I'm not really getting. I'm having a hard time, so that's why. fresh parsley and mint. Always gotta have fresh garlic. I do, anyways. Alrighty, let's get our container of broth that I made, and we have a show on that. I'm sure if somebody wants to find it, you will. And then we're going to fill up the container to get all the juices out, and then after that, we'll put it on the stove and add our seasonings. And some people ask me when I come home from workout, the reason I stay in my workout clothes is because it's like this. I have to get a shower. When I get in the kitchen, I start messing around. I'm already dirty. And it's like, well, let's just finish. And then I just leave the pan underneath. What about you do it under there? And I'll show you here. Like that. So, gotta make sure it don't tip. I drink 2 15s a day. When I first started, I started out like with almost 5. Then we cut me down to 3, and then I'm down to 2. When I first started, yes, I got dizzy, but that was because I was out of shape, and my immune system was down, and my 15 helps me. And my trainers even like that too. They said it's a very good, if you have, for me, because I was so fat. If you're not really fat, you don't have the problems. But with me, I was fat. I was obese. So when you're obese, like I was, it's a little different because you have to be able to, you have to be able to try to get the weight off. And then in the meantime, you being fat, you can't move. I remember just practicing sitting up, sitting down. It's like, man, I'm paying you for this. And that's how I used to feel. And my trainer, Dan, was like, Sherry. And, you know, he'd be like, Elvira, you're just so bad, you know? And it's like, so how it went. So, now we're going to get our thing on. You're going to get some lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. And you're going to do Worcestershire, 2 of those. You're going to use a teaspoon of each of these. Onion powder, and you're going to have to season to taste because I'll end up adding more. Basil. Turmeric. Garlic powder. Oregano. Sea salt. Accent. Cumin. Seasoned salt. Black pepper. And Hungarian paprika. This one I'm using is Buddha's Pest, sweet, delicate Hungarian style paprika, and it's from Hungary. And you're gonna just shake it, because I'm gonna show you it here. This is the special ingredient in this one, and allspice. All of them except the Hungarian paprika will be a teaspoon to start. I'll show you what it looks like. Then I'm gonna mix it up, and we're gonna let it cook. And then I'll be back with the calorie count and show you what the final outcome looks like. And this is what it looks like so far after I mixed it up. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to let it cook. I'll be back in about 45 minutes to an hour, and I will show you what it looks like in the calorie count. God bless everyone. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Keep God and the angels in your life and stay healthy. See you soon. Bye.